Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Luxury Vehicle. Today, we have something that's big, bold, and badass, the return of an icon. Say hello to the Hummer H2. GM has resurrected this beast, and it's back with a vengeance. Packed with insane power, cutting-edge tech, and that unmistakable Hummer presence. Let's dive in and see what this monster is all about. The Hummer H2 is all about presence, and GM made sure it turns heads wherever it goes. Up front, we have that signature 7-slot grille with futuristic LED lighting, including an illuminated Hummer badge. The massive squared-off design gives it that tough, military-inspired look, and check out those aggressive fender flares, so they house gigantic 37-inch all-terrain tires. And just like its big brother, the Hummer F, this thing is built for serious adventure. The front bumper integrates a heavy-duty skid plate, and the tow hooks are ready to pull anything out of trouble. The H2 keeps that boxy, rugged silhouette but adds a modern twist with flush door handles, an optional removable roof, and power retractable side steps. And let's not forget the ground clearance here thanks to adaptive air suspension. This beast can lift itself to conquer any obstacle. Now, stepping inside, the H2 is a mix of rugged durability and high-tech luxury. You've got a commanding driving position with a massive 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 15-inch infotainment touchscreen powered by GM's latest Ultifi software. The interface is super responsive, supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And check this out, there are multiple off-road cameras, including underbody views, to help you navigate tricky terrain. The interior is decked out with premium materials, leather, carbon fiber, and even recycled materials in certain trims. And the seats? They're both heated and ventilated, offering supreme comfort whether you're conquering trails or cruising on the highway. Alright, let's talk about performance here, because the Hummer H2 is an absolute powerhouse. Under the hood, you've got two options, a twin turbocharged V8 pushing around 650 horsepower, or an all-electric version with GM's Ultium battery system delivering up to 850 horsepower and over 300 miles of range. The F variant, it can go from 0 to 60 in just under 4 seconds thanks to WTF mod here. Yes, that's what's to freedom. Meanwhile, the gas-powered version delivers that classic V8 roar and raw power. And when it comes to off-roading, this thing is a tank. You've got four-wheel drive, locking differentials, a height-adjustable suspension, and yes, a crab walk mode, just like the Hummer F, letting you move diagonally to maneuver tight spots. If you need a workhorse, the Hummer H2 doesn't disappoint. It can tow up to 9,000 pounds and has a payload capacity of around 2,000 pounds, making it as practical as it is powerful. Now, let's talk pricing. The Hummer H2 starts at around $85,000 for the base model and goes up to $120,000 for the fully loaded edition, one with all the bells and whistles. It's not cheap, but if you want an off-road monster with luxury and tech, this is it. So, is the Hummer H2 the ultimate off-road SUV? Well, it's got the power, the tech, and the presence to dominate any terrain. Whether you go for the V8 or the F, you're getting an absolute beast. But what do you think? Is the new H2 worth the hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more epic car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.